One of the biggest opportunities that I'm seeing from our clients at Lightning Ventures is that they have a lot of workflows where historically they've had tons and tons of people full time watching data, right? They're analyzing images generally, or maybe it's handwritten PDFs that then, handwritten forms that have been taken photo and then uploaded, or maybe it's an object, anything, right? For us right now, we've got one client that has multiple forms and the data doesn't get structured out of this system. It doesn't say if it's X form or it's Y form or it's for this use case, it's for use case. So the only way they're going to know is to have a full time person, actually, sometimes two full time people, watching these images and reading them one by one, right? That is incredibly inefficient and it is also prone to errors. Now, AI is not perfect, but I can tell you now, it will be definitely more accurate than having those two full time people doing that. So, what are we doing? We're actually building a system that uses AI to go through each and every single image. There could be six or there could be 12. And the AI will methodically go through every image and see, does it contain a specific form and a specific category? And if it does, it will then send a flag to our database so then we can then enroll that person in an activity. So we've really saved a ton of time for these two roles, which can be moved somewhere else to a higher value area of the business. And so this is just one example that I think that a lot of people are talking about text-based AI, but I think one of the biggest opportunities, image and unstructured, it could be handwriting notes, it could be anything, but to use that to find if there's information, then structure it and then move it on to action off in another system. I think this is one of the biggest opportunities for businesses in 2026 that actually nobody is talking about. And so I'd be keen to hear what you think AI could be used for in 2026. Comment below.